On May 21, 2021, Ethiopia has deployed troops in the Qataran settlement inside Al-Fashaka border area of Gadarif State, Sudanese military source said on Friday. Sudanese army 2 years ago retook control of the Shaibet settlement in Al-Fashaka after expelling Ethiopian Army Amara militiamen during a visit to the Sudanese fort deployed in the area. A week ago, a member of the Sovereignty Council, Lieutenant General Chem Eldin Kabachi, stated that over 95% of Al-Fashaka is now under Sudanese control. Sudanese military source in Gadarif told Sudan Tribune that the Ethiopian army had been amassing a large contingent of troops and militiamen along the Al-Fashaka area, coming from Bayadar, the capital of the Amara region, and Gondar, another city in the same region. The Ethiopian army force, supported by the Amara militia, have been deployed in the Qataran settlement, equipped with cannon and tank. The source, who is not authorized to speak with the media, added. The Ethiopian government denied deploying its national army in the border area, saying the Sudanese army is hunting Ethiopian farmers. Also, Addis Ababa says seeking a negotiation solution for the border dispute, and they refuse to go in war against the Sudanese army. In Khartoum, Sudanese officials say its army has been deployed within the internationally demarcated border. Further, they refuse to talk about border dispute, saying the government of Abiy Ahmed seeks to denounce the agreement of 1902, 1903, and 1972 about the border demarcations. Sudan Tribunes.